Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rajbir and I am a teacher by profession, but I am here to give you few reviews about the books which I have personally read them, and I like them a lot because in everybody's life there are ups and downs. So in my life also I have faced a lot of ups and downs. Actually, when I was in my teaching line and little before that, a point a turn came in my life where I was so much disappointed and I felt that now nothing is left in the life. Life is completely over and I don't think I will do anything in my life. And you know, like those type of feelings I started getting in me when in life something happened, something bad happens. But then at the same time, my one of my friends, she recommended me to read good books. So guys, I'm sharing with you when I've started reading the books. Slowly, I have started feeling like I have changed. I'm changing my mental health also, because when you get upset, then you don't want to talk to anybody. You always want to get you always want to sit in a corner and you don't want anybody to disturb you like that. But when I have started with reading the books, even I have noticed that there was changes in my behavior. My friends and family, they have started noticing the changes in me. Even I started feeling good about me. So guys, I highly recommend books do change your life. Okay, so start reading today. If you don't want, if you are not a non-reader, I was not a person who reads books, who hate books, who used to hate books. But I came in teaching profession, and then when once I have started with the book, I was not that interested. But slowly, when I have started taking interest in the books, so I have now the point has come in my life when I used to read a lot of books. I have gradually, once I have started with reading the good books, I have completely cut off the unnecessary activities in my life, like watching TV or just going here and there with friends and family. I have completely cut off with those things and I have started reading the books whenever I get time. I used to run and get grab a book and start reading it, because now it became a very important part of my life. I have learned a lot through the books. So I highly recommend, if you are like me, like if you are like completely demotivated in your life and you don't know what you have to do, what you want to do in your life, guys, don't worry, don't think too much, just start reading books. Start reading a book, start today. And just for the sake of reading, don't do that. Don't turn around the pages. Read the book with your full heart and mind. All right, and then gradually you will see once, if you and books, see one more thing, there are lots of books in the market, you will get online also. But I highly recommend you should read the good books, which are like on self awareness, motivational books, because these are those books which will help you to know who you actually are and what are the talents that are hidden inside of you. And you can automatically come up with a good you will come up with something with a clear mind, and you will get more clarity towards your life. And you will think about taking the first step in your life. So for me, I was completely, I have never thought of doing something different. I started my teaching. Then when I was in my teaching line, I always used to think that I should try something different, I should try something new. But I never had the courage to do so. So when now when I have, I was I since last 3 4 years, I'm completely in reading. I read a lot of books on self motivation, and a lot of books on to grow yourself in any field wherever you are. So I have, I have built the courage to come in front of you all and to interact with you all and to share my experiences, like from being a zero to reaching somewhere in the life, and started taking the first step. This is the first step in my life that I am in this platform, YouTube platform. I have no experience. I don't know how people, I have seen, I have gone through a lot of videos of people like those who are gradually very famous through YouTube and this. But I am here to share my own experiences, and I am here as well as I want you all to share your experiences as with me also. so that I can learn more things in life and I can excel in life. So today the book which I am going to talk about is How to Influence Friends, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. This was my first book when I have started reading. So, guys, this is the best book you can start reading today. You just order it from Amazon. It's available on Amazon also, on Flipkart also. You can order from anywhere. And this is the best book, guys. Believe me. And you can just see the condition of the book, because I forgot how many times I have read the book. After reading one time, I started feeling like I should read one more time. So this book is the best book to start with your reading experiences. And whenever you get time, whenever you feel like something marking, you can just mark the important lines. Because when I do whenever I feel a little negative in my life, or I meet some negative people, or some negative influences on me, I used to take out this book. I never take off this book from my bag. I just take out this book, and whatever I have marked, the important quotes or whatever it is, so I used to reread them again, so that I should be clear with my mental. I should be clear what I am doing, and I should not get influenced by the negativity in my life. So just go for it, guys. Order it today and start reading. This is the best book. You will never regret to read this one. And I have started with this, and now I after this one you will feel like reading one more, and gradually you will see that you have built that interest in the books and to learn something new in your life. And you will start leading a disciplined life, because you should start from somewhere. So why not today? Once you start by reading the book, you will think of applying the rules, and you will think of making your life in disciplined manner. So once you do so, you will get the clarity of what you want to do in your life. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you like the reviews about the book. I will be giving more reviews about the different books which I have personally read. So I hope you guys like the video. So thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.